So the big picture for this lesson is prism surface area. So here's a net of a rectangular prism. Now a net is kind of like if you take a three-dimensional shape and you cut it along the edges and then unfold it. And if you look at the prism, you can see that there are pairs of rectangles here and they're color-coded. And so that's the net of a prism. Talk about finding the surface area, that's the area around. So it's kind of like if you were to wrap a present and to only count the surface that is not overlapped. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label the side edges that I know. So the longest ones are all 8. And then let's see. This is 5. And this is 3. Which means this is also 3. 3 here. 3, 3. Okay, so then what you do is you can find the area of each rectangle, and since there are 2 of them, you just multiply that area by 2. So for example, the purple rectangle, let's see, there should be another 5 here, is 8 times 5, but there are 2 of them, so it's 2 times 8 times 5. And then the green ones, that's 2 times 8 times 3. And then for the pink, 2 times 5 times 3. And so you do these calculations and then add, and that tells you the total surface area of the prism. So 8 times 5 is 40, and then times 2 makes 80. 8 times 3 is 24, then times 2 is 48. And then 5 times 3 is 15, times 2 equals 30. So then let's add. So the surface area of that rectangular prism is 158 square units. And that's the big picture for this lesson.